Act as best script write and change the script so it won't match with original one. Make it spin the content, and remove any channel name if there. Write the description of around 8,000 words. Remove timestamps, 42, Mini but the mighty drone, DJI Mini 5 Pro leaks. You need to see this. YouTube https www.youtube.com watch VIPKA60B VSVLQ transcript D0. Stop what you're doing because something big is coming to the skies. And no, it's not another boring drone refresh. It's the next evolution of aerial filmmaking. The DJI Mini 5 Pro and the DJI Avatar 3 are making waves before they've even launched. The leaks are out, the rumors are flying, and the hype is building fast. Tuned 24. If you're a drone enthusiast, a content creator, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves the thrill of flight, you'll want to hear this. DJI is not just updating its drones. It's redefining what's possible in a compact flying machine. From real-world sightings to major hardware upgrades, 2025 could be the year DJI changes everything again. U047. Let's start with the DJI Mini 5 Pro because this drone might be small, but it's stirring up a storm. After months of silence, we finally have something real. A real-world photo. Not a blurry leak, not a questionable render, a legit, unedited street-side shot from China. And that image shared by drone insider Jasper Ellens and Drone XL gave us our first look at the Mini 5 Pro out in the wild, ISO 113. This confirms one big thing. DJI is actively testing the drone. And when DJI tests in public, it usually means one thing. A launch is close. Most insiders are pointing to a summer 2025 release. Likely in August or September. That's not far off. And if this leak is any indication, the Mini 5 Pro might be worth the wait. 135. Let's break it down. First, the motors. The leaked image shows chunkier, thicker motors than the Mini 4 Pro. Bigger motors mean more power. More power means better speed, stronger wind resistance, and possibly more lifting capability. But that raises a question. Can DJI still keep this drone under the 250-degree limit? Why does that matter? Because under 250G, the drone avoids FAA registration for recreational use, under ZO2, 05. It's a big selling point, especially for beginners or casual pilots. If DJI can pack all these features into a sub-250-gram drone, again, it would be a massive engineering feat. But the upgrades don't stop at the motors. There's a big rumor going around, and if it's true, it's a game-changer. The Mini 5 Pro might come with a 1-in sensor. That's up from the 1.1.0229, 3-in sensor in the Mini 4 Pro. And that change matters a lot. A 1-in sensor means better low-light performance. It means sharper detail, more depth, better colors, wider dynamic range. Simply put, your footage will look better, cleaner, more cinematic. This would bring professional-level imaging to a drone that fits in your hand. Utters 254. And here's the part that content creators will love. DJI is keeping vertical shooting. Love it or hate it, vertical video is here to stay. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. If you're creating for mobile-first platforms, you want vertical footage. With this feature, you won't need to crop and post. You shoot vertical, you post vertical. Euro 3, Con 15. No loss in quality, no extra editing, just clean, ready to publish content. Now, let's talk flight time. The leaks suggest a massive upgrade. The Mini 5 Pro could offer up to 50 minutes of battery life. That's huge, especially when you consider that the Mini 4 Pro maxed out around 34 minutes. That extra time opens up new possibilities. Euro 338. Longer flights, bigger coverage, more time to get the perfect shot. And there's more. Flight range is expected to jump to 25 km. That's over 15 miles. Now, obviously, legal line of sight rules still apply, but the point is, the drone can go farther. Stronger transmission, better signal reliability. For professionals covering large areas, that's a huge bonus. Mundo 4. But here's where things get really interesting. Smart features. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to come with upgraded AI tracking. Imagine a drone that doesn't just follow you. It anticipates your path, dodges trees, tracks you through a forest, keeps you centered in frame while you run, bike, or drive. That's where DJI is heading. 425. There's also talk about LAR. LiDAR sensors help detect obstacles more accurately. They allow for precise depth sensing. But here's the catch. The leaked images don't show any clear LAR units. Are they hidden? Are they still in development? We don't know yet. But the possibility is exciting. And then there's the wild card, audio recording, 449. Yes, you heard that right. Leaks suggest that the Mini 5 Pro might include onboard audio. This would be a first for DJI. Imagine recording real-time sound while flying. Maybe commentary, maybe ambient noise, maybe synced audio for easier editing later. It's strange, it's unexpected, but it could be useful, especially for vloggers and storytellers. 511. So what will it cost? DJI hasn't said anything officially, but if we base it on the Mini 4 Pro, we can expect a starting price between $899 and $1,999 DEERs. With all these upgrades, it might even push higher, maybe $1,199 or more. Still, if it delivers on everything, that price could be well worth it for serious creators. 535. But wait, we're not done, because DJI isn't just updating the Mini line. The FPV world is about to get a major upgrade too. Enter the DJI Avatar 3. If you like the Avatar 2, the Avatar 3 might blow your mind. This drone isn't just for casual flyers. It's built for speed, for adrenaline, for cinematic action, and it's bringing some serious upgrades. Let's start with the camera. 06 Saxio. The Avatar 2 had a solid 1.7 in sensor, but the Avatar 3 is rumored to take it to the next level. A full 1 in CMOS sensor. That's a big step up. Better low light capture, sharper images, richer colors, less noise, and most importantly, more cinematic footage. Some leaks also mention raw recording and advanced color grading profiles. 625. For filmmakers, this means more control in post. You can tweak exposure, adjust tone curves, and preserve dynamic range. It's a big win for professionals. Now let's talk flight time. The Avatar 2 gave you around 23 minutes. The Avatar 3 could stretch that to almost 30. That might not sound huge, but for an FPV drone, that's impressive. 646. And with improved motors and smarter power management, you'll get more done in every flight session. What about stabilization? DJI's Rock Steady and Horizon Steady systems are already great, but the Avatar 3 might add a mechanical gimbal. That's right, a gimbal on an FPV drone. This would reduce shake, smooth out rough shots, and give you even more cinematic control. 07.12. High-speed dives, sharp turns, sudden stops, all captured cleanly. Then there's obstacle avoidance. The Avatar 2 had limited sensors. The Avatar 3 might go full 360. Omnidirectional obstacle detection, forward, backward, side to side, top, and bottom. That's huge, especially for FPV beginners. Safer flights, fewer crashes, and more confidence to try complex paths. Junzo 738. DJI is also expected to improve transmission. We're talking about the O4 system, building on the O3 Plus. That means better live feed quality, less delay, longer range. You'll see more, control better, and fly with greater precision. Combine that with new DJI goggles and the updated RC motion controller, and the experience becomes even more immersive. Under 802. Performance-wise, the Avatar 3 will likely be faster, more agile, more responsive. Whether you're racing through trees or chasing cars for a commercial, this drone should handle it. It's being designed for action, but it's not just for pros. DJI wants the Avatar 3 to be accessible. That means easier controls, smarter modes, AI-powered flight assistance, pre-programmed cinematic paths, object tracking, all designed to help you fly with confidence, even if you're new to FPV. Oh wait, 32. And what about the price? Experts expect it to land somewhere between $14.99 and $13.99.99. It depends on the bundle, goggles, controller, accessories, but if the features match the leaks, this could be one of the most advanced FPV drones DJI has ever made. So, what does this all mean? For starters, DJI isn't slowing down. They're doubling down on performance, on intelligence, on creator tools. 09 as 03. The Mini 5 Pro brings professional features to an ultra-light drone. The Avatar 3 pushes the edge of FPV tech with better cameras, safer flying, and a smoother experience. Whether you're a YouTuber, a filmmaker, a real estate pro, a wedding videographer, or just someone who loves flight, 2025 could be your year. 0923. These drones are more than upgrades. They're tools that empower. They help you tell better stories, capture better moments, create content that stands out. And that's why the community is excited, because DJI isn't just selling drones. They're building platforms for creativity. So now we turn to you. Are you excited about the Mini 5 Pro? Will you wait for the Avatar 3? Which features stand out most to you? Let us know. 0948. Join the conversation, because this isn't just a product drop. It's the beginning of the next chapter in drone technology. And as we get closer to launch, make sure you're subscribed, because we'll bring you every update, every review, every detail the moment it drops. Until then, keep flying smart and keep creating.